Welcome to our video on the Supreme Court's latest directive concerning Order XX Rule 12A CPC. This mandate requires appellate courts to set timelines for depositing the balance sale consideration when handling appeals against specific performance decrees. This directive addresses the issue of unclear deadlines, which has led to procedural inefficiencies. By enforcing this requirement, the Supreme Court aims to streamline legal proceedings and ensure compliance with established legal frameworks. Stay tuned as we explore the significance and implications of this directive, unraveling how it shapes the landscape of legal proceedings in our subsequent segments. Order XX Rule 12A of the Civil Procedure Code plays a pivotal role in specific performance decrees. This rule mandates a clear procedural framework, focusing on the timeline for depositing the balance sale consideration. It ensures that legal processes are orderly and timely, crucial for maintaining the integrity of legal proceedings. The essence of Order XX Rule 12A is to prevent delays that could hinder the execution of specific performance decrees. By stipulating a precise timeline for financial transactions, this rule addresses potential loopholes in legal disputes. Understanding this regulation is crucial for legal professionals and students, as it sets the foundation for compliance in appellate courts. The Supreme Court underscores its importance, demanding strict adherence to these timelines to streamline judicial processes. As we delve deeper, we will explore how the lack of specified timelines by appellate courts has posed significant challenges, leading to procedural inefficiencies. Stay tuned as we examine this issue and the Supreme Court's directive aimed at resolving it, ensuring a more efficient legal system for all involved. In the intricate world of legal proceedings, clarity and precision are paramount. Yet, appellate courts have been operating without specifying crucial timelines, leading to procedural inefficiencies, delays, and complications. The absence of specific timeframes undermines the predictability and order vital in legal matters, affecting both courts and litigants seeking timely justice. Imagine a courtroom where, despite rigorous arguments and evidence, the absence of a timeline stalls justice. This oversight creates a ripple effect, impacting every level of the judicial system. Why has this become a pivotal concern? The need for a structured legal framework mandating adherence to timelines ensures justice is not delayed. This sets the stage for critical intervention by the Supreme Court. In the next segment, we'll explore how the Supreme Court's directive aims to resolve this issue, enforcing a structured approach that mandates appellate courts to specify these essential timelines. Stay tuned as we unravel the solution to this pressing problem. In response to a pressing issue within the judicial process, the Supreme Court has issued a decisive directive. This ruling targets the problem of appellate courts failing to specify critical timelines when handling appeals against specific performance decrees. The Supreme Court mandates that appellate courts must now define these timelines, particularly concerning the deposit of balance sale considerations under Order XX Rule 12A of the Civil Procedure Code. This move is not just a procedural adjustment, but a significant stride towards addressing inefficiencies that have long plagued our legal system. The lack of specified timelines has led to unnecessary delays and complications, affecting the efficiency and fairness of legal proceedings. By enforcing this mandate, the Supreme Court ensures that appellate courts adhere to a standard fostering clarity and predictability in legal processes. This directive serves as a solution to the procedural issue, aiming to streamline court operations and enhance the overall administration of justice. Legal professionals and students should note this pivotal change, as it underscores the importance of compliance with procedural mandates from higher courts. The Supreme Court's action exemplifies its role in ensuring that justice is served timely and efficiently. As we look forward, this directive paves the way for more coherent and effective legal proceedings, setting a precedent for future cases. In our next segment, we will explore the anticipated outcomes and how this directive is expected to transform the landscape of legal proceedings. As we delve into the implications of the Supreme Court's directive, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment for legal proceedings. This mandate requires appellate courts to specify a timeline for depositing the balance sale consideration fundamentally altering the landscape of specific performance decrees. The expected outcomes of this directive are profound. By ensuring compliance with Order XX Rule 12A CPC, the Supreme Court aims to bring about a significant improvement in procedural efficiency. Legal professionals can anticipate a smoother and more predictable course of action, streamlining processes once bogged down by ambiguity and delay. This clarity is not just procedural, it extends to the essence of justice, where timely execution of decrees is paramount. The directive promises to enhance the efficiency of legal proceedings, fostering an environment where compliance becomes the norm, not the exception. For legal practitioners and students, understanding these changes is crucial. They herald a new era where appellate courts play a decisive role in ensuring justice within a clear framework of time-bound directives. As we move forward, it is essential to consider how these changes will impact the broader legal landscape. The expectation is that with improved efficiency, cases will resolve faster, benefiting all parties involved. In the next segment, we'll explore the broader benefits of compliance with this directive and how it sets the stage for future legal cases. Stay tuned as we conclude our exploration of this significant judicial development. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's directive on Order XX Rule 12A CPC marks a pivotal shift in legal proceedings. By mandating appellate courts to specify timelines for depositing the balance sale consideration, this directive addresses a long-standing procedural gap. Compliance with this order is not merely a formality, it is a foundational step towards enhancing the efficacy of legal processes. For legal professionals and students, this directive represents a significant advancement in the judiciary's commitment to clarity and precision. By ensuring that deadlines are explicitly stated, the Supreme Court has provided a framework that will prevent unnecessary delays and ambiguities in future cases. The benefits of adhering to this directive extend beyond procedural efficiency. It establishes a precedent for accountability, where all parties involved in a legal proceeding can expect timely and transparent actions. This is particularly crucial in cases of specific performance decrees, where the stakes are high and outcomes can significantly impact those involved. Ultimately, the directive serves as a guiding light for future legal cases, ensuring that justice is not only served, but served swiftly and fairly. The Supreme Court's decision underscores the importance of procedural compliance as an essential component of the justice system. By following these guidelines, we pave the way for a more streamlined and effective judicial process, benefiting all who seek justice under the law.